video. Today I will show you how to create a flag effect from this flat flag image to this animated flag like this. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you! First, we have to prepare a composition with solid black background. Apply fractal noise to the background and choose swirly for the noise type and invert it. Uncheck the uniform scaling and I will expand this scale width and height into 300 and 5000. Once again, you can adjust it whatever you want. Next, make sure you click Alt and then click the evolution stopwatch, and I will type this for the movement. And now go to another composition and prepare the flag image. Insert the fractal noise composition here and choose hard light as the layer mode. Now apply the displacement map effect on the flag image. Choose the fractal noise composition for the layer here. You can adjust the fractal noise composition transparency or maybe the width. And this is the final result for the flag. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!